It's Aaron here, and if you want to know about the best free online video editing software which you can use to make stunning video ads, videos in general, to get more posts for social engagement, stick to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how step by step to use the software InVideo to make stunning video ads, video posts, whatever you want to do. You can use this for your own page, for your own business, or you can, go out to other businesses and do this for them and get paid up to $500 plus. Simply create videos in under 10 minutes. That's the great part about this too. It's quick, easy, and fast. And then I'm also going to show you by the end of this video how you can make a video using a URL and a way that you can get clients from doing just that. You heard me right. You can make a video from using a URL. So what's going on YouTube? My name is Aaron, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to use this software called InVideo. It's this awesome, easy to use, free online video editor which has over 1,200 templates you can use to, make stunning videos with for, your video ad, for promotional posts, or, just for a regular post to, boost up engagement on your Instagram page, Facebook page, whatever have you. And then of course, if you don't have your own page, you can go out to other businesses and make this stuff for them. It takes less than 10 minutes to make a video, and then you can do it for them, and then you can get paid $500, $600, $700 a month just for doing this stuff. So this is the best part is this is free to use, but if you do get the premium version, they do have a lot of other features that you can use it as well. You can make more videos, you have access to more templates, and you have access to thousands more copyright free videos. Very, very affordable. So let me show you that really quick. Okay, so the free version is free to use, and you can do everything I'm going to show you in this video with the free version, but there's going to be watermarks on it. So to get rid of those watermarks, you can do a yearly plan, which is only $10 a month, which, saves you 50%. Or you could do a monthly plan, which is $20 a month. But however, of course, since you're watching this video, you're not going to get it for that price. You're going to get it for 25% off. So that means this monthly plan would be $15. And this business plan is only going to be $7.50 a month. You can spend $7.50 a month and turn it around and make $500 a month, which is so much more of a profit. The link and the code will be in the description down below. So definitely take advantage of it. But again, you don't have to do it. You don't have to buy it. Everything that I'm going to show you in this video is completely and utterly free. So let's explore the features of it. So the very first thing we want to do before we do anything is make the brand presets. So all we have to do is click here. We go on to brand presets once you make a free account and everything. Even though I'm going to give a step-by-step video of how to, make videos in under 10 minutes with this free software. So if you do have any more questions or something I didn't cover, you can always click here, click in the bottom right-hand part of the website, and you can always just message them, ask them any questions, go through support, go through walkthrough. I actually use this to figure out some things I'm going to show you in this video. So if you have any other questions, just, this is actually really a nice and handy feature that, you can always use. It's very quick, easy, and then you'll get a response in like less than a minute. So yeah, let's continue on with the video. We can add the different brand presets. So we can put in our name, we can upload our logo, and then you can add your different social media handles. What's really cool is that if you choose to upload your logo, so we're gonna upload a logo here, which you can make for free or pay someone $5 to do it. It's gonna auto suggest colors based on the logo. So we click on yes, and what it's gonna do is gonna auto suggest these colors so that all the videos that we make can match our colors. And then it's also going to add the logo into all of our videos as well when it has the logo area. So let's go back to see all the things that InVideo can do to make online video ads. So here's where we pretty much start. We have a bunch of pre-made templates, and you have over 1,200 templates you can use for video posts or video ads, etc. And then if you just want to look at the video template really quick, you can just hover your mouse over it, and then you can see the awesome video that's already pre-made for you. You can literally just change the words and then you're good to go, which is what we're going to do in this video here. So I'm going to make an ad for myself that I can use to get clients for my own SMMA. Okay, so before I get into it, let me describe the other features as well. So article to video is where I was talking about. You can take a URL and literally make it into a video. So I'm going to talk about that towards the end of the video. And then blank template is just if you want to start from scratch, if you have your own media, video files or image files that you want to use, you can use just a blank template and start from there. Okay, so let's go into actually making a video so I can describe the video editing feature software. So let's say I wanted to create a Facebook newsfeed video ad or video post, for example. And of course, this is all going to be preset for you. So what you can see is that it's gonna have all the available templates that's in the Facebook newsfeed size. So let's explore these templates and see which one would be best. Okay, so since I'm looking, to create kind of a promotional video for marketing, I'm just gonna click on a category here, which is gonna make my job a lot easier. I'm gonna click on promotional videos, and we're gonna go to Square because that is the Facebook newsfeed. And yeah, so I like this template a lot. Obviously, there's a lot more I could have choose from, but we're gonna choose this one. So if you want it in other sizes as well, they have other sizes for the same type of template. If they don't have it right now, you can always just request it, and then they're gonna follow up with you and then let you know when they actually do have that template. So I'm just gonna use this template right now. Okay, so now that we use the template, we can now customize the video. So I'm just gonna change up a few of the words and edit some of the scenes and stuff, and then we go on from there. And it's gonna all take less than 10 minutes. You can time me on it. So first, let's explore the features of this. So you can see everything that you can do. I'm gonna go from left to right. So from the left here, we have the media, which you can search from over a million copyright-free images and videos you can use and you can put onto your video as well. And then we have music here. So we have a bunch of preset music we can use. If you don't like any of these songs, if even going through all the different categories, you can always go to the free YouTube audio library, and then download the music from there and then upload your own. You can just click upload your own, and then it's a simple process from there. You can go in, click on any soundtrack you like, and then it's gonna upload it from there. And then text is we can add text to the video if you don't like the pre-made text here. So we have different ready-made text boxes. You have classic, modern, social media credits, local boxes, location boxes, not local boxes. So after that we have stickers. So if you wanna, if you're familiar with Instagram story, they're just things you can literally stick onto your video. So you have a call to action. So let's say I want people to, get started or know more. I can just click on get started, and it's gonna add that right there. And you can put it anywhere you want. And it's the same story with the text. You can just click on it, add it, and etc. etc. Effects is pretty cool. So you can add like visual effects to your video. So let's say I want to add confetti to this. I can just click on it, and then we can click on preview, and then we're gonna see that there is confetti coming down, which is an awesome effect, and it adds a little pizzazz and jazziness to your video, which is cool. So just gonna undo that because I don't want to add too much pizzazz just yet. You can add different shapes. So if you want to add a square, add a square, add a circle, you can add a circle. Different enhancements, you can customize the look and style of your video. So you can add mask to your video. You can add, you can make it a collage, or you can add a Twitter and Instagram post to enhance it. And you can also upload your own stuff if you have it. And then you can add your own scene. And then you can add scenes as well. So these are just the pre-made scenes that you can add. You can also add scenes by just duplicating it. So that's all the features here. So let's go on to this video editing window here. So what we have here is, the different scenes that you have. You can always preview it by clicking on preview. And then if you want to add transitions, you can, add all these different transitions. You just explore it and see what you want to customize on your own. And if you want to add voiceovers to it, you can add it from here. You can upload it from your own computer. You can click on record. If you want to add your own voice to it, which I'm not going to do since I'm making a video right now, or you can do automated, which you can type in a text here and, choose the voice that you like, and then you can add it to the scene, which is pretty awesome. So now that we've gone through that, let's go on to the right side. We're just going to talk about more editing softwares. So up here we have, you can bring something forward, back, undo, redo, or delete the thing you have selected. And then you can change the project color. So this is the template version. And then if you want to go to the brand, so like we did at the beginning of the video, we made our brand presets. So what we can do with the colors that we have, we can just click on apply, and then, you know, it comes up with something. I don't really like these colors right now, so I'm just gonna undo that. And then I'm gonna customize the colors. So I'm just gonna probably make this blue, make one blue, and then I'll keep this yellow for now. I do like that. So that's all we're gonna do for the customization part. And you can of course edit it. You can edit the type of animation that comes through and where it comes from. And you can adjust the layers to it as well. So if I wanted to move the sticker behind the words, we can do just that. So we can just do that. And then if I wanted to, you know, have the get started behind the word for some reason, I can do it like that. So let's say you want to, you know, check up on the scene to make sure that everything is as crisp and as clean as awesome as it could look like. What you can do is you can click on this intelligent virtual assistant, and it's going to analyze your scene and it's going to make suggestions to how you can make it better. So after it does its analyzing stuff, it's going to say that, okay, this text box is off center, so I'm going to resolve that, and it's going to automatically fix it for me. And then it's going to say give a text a contrasting background, so I'm going to resolve that. And now this text is more readable. Of course, it's not going to pick up everything, so I'm just going to move this back here. So of course, use everything to your own discretion if you would like. But you know, I kind of like this because it does make the text pop out a bit more, and I want people to, you know, see the text. So now that we did all that, let's actually customize the text to something that I would actually want it to be. So I just click on the text, and then you can adjust it there, or you can click on edit and you can adjust the text here as well. So what I like, after you add the text, that it automatically like adjusts it so that it actually looks good when it appears on the video. And of course you can change the style, you can change the font, you can do a lot of different stuff to it as well. So then once you do all that, you can preview it. So this is going to be my first scene, so let's preview how it looks. And then of course I have your dance Facebook ad Wix. So then let's adjust another scene. So what we can do is adjust the transition. I want it to be like flip, and I don't want this scene. I only want this to be, let's say, 2 scenes, for example. So I can just remove this scene, and then once it removes it, I'm just gonna be like, add my website. Just gonna use the intelligent virtual assistant to, you know, maybe like fix a few things, adjust a few things, and make sure that it's crisp. And then lastly, we want to add some nice background music that you choose. So it's really simple. All you literally have to do is just, let's say I want a bright type of music. You can listen to it if you want. I do like the center ring, for example, so you can just click on select, and then it's automatically there. It's automatically added just like that. You added background music, and it's all copyright free. And then just to point out, let's say you didn't like this part of the video, for example, you can literally just search a million other images and videos. So let's just say happy dance. Okay, so then once that comes up, you can literally just click on it, drag it, and then if you just want to replace the video with all the different specs and everything, you just drop it. And then you can just do different things. You can replace it, add behind, or add as a layer. So let's just click on replace. Trim it if you would like, if you just want it to be shorter, but you know, we're just gonna keep it like that for now. Then we just click apply here, and boom, you just switch the video. It's already nice with the template, just like that. So now we can do, so now that we added our background music, we added everything that we wanted to do, preview and export. Then you can make sure that you like it, make sure that the music sounds right and everything. And boom, we just created an easy video in less than 10 minutes. Export the video, run it, get a bunch of engagement, and awesome. So that's pretty much how you do it. That's a step-by-step process on how you can make a video from a template, all the different things you can add, and all the different features. So now let's get into how you can make a video using a URL. So to do that, all you want to do is you just want to go to article to video, and then you want to choose a template that, you know, relates to, you know, whatever you're using the URL for. So let's say you want to make a video for a blog post, for example, right? So we want to make it and we want to post this video on Facebook. So we choose Facebook newsfeed to get it started. And then it has a bunch of different has a bunch of different templates you can use as well. And what I like is you can do a story, or if you have a list, you can do a listicle type of thing here, which is pretty awesome. So what you can do is, let's choose this template, for example, right? We can use this template. And then what you can do is you can just add a headline, and then you can add the words here. You can simply just add a URL, and it's going to fetch the data from that website, auto suggest the images and videos for you, and make a video all for you just like that. So let's say, I go on to Shopify and I see this blog on how to make your own online video, and I want to make a video about that. So we're just going to click on copy, and we're just going to paste the URL here, fetch, and it's going to literally make a video about that. So what you have here is you have your headline here, and then you have all the different, and you have the blog post under here. And then I highly recommend you go over it and you want to just choose the meaty important parts to make from the video, or you can just choose auto summarize, and then it can make different scenes about it. And then you can just click on go to storyboard. And then, this is pretty long, but this is just for example's sake for the most part. So once you click on go to storyboard, then it's going to literally take all that information and auto suggest images and videos and make a really nice, really stunning video for you. And of course, not everything's going to be perfect, but you can just go in there and, fix the little things that, the video software messes up. And, you can go to Shopify and be like, hey, I made this video for you. I can make a lot more for you if, you hire me as a video editor for your blog posts, and I can make videos for your page, etc., etc. So this could be a perfect way to go after a local business. So if a local business has, a blog post, take that URL from that blog post, paste it to this auto video generator, and then it's going to auto suggest images and videos. Then, go through it, make sure it looks clean, make sure it looks nice, make sure it's consumable. Then go to the business owner, call them up or email them being like, hey, I made you this video for this blog post since I really enjoyed it. I can make you a lot more videos like this for all your blog posts if you simply, hire me as your video editor. Let's talk more about it. Let's go on to a call. So here how it came out. So as you can see, it auto suggested a video media I can use, and it has the text here, which you can always change. And then, you can scroll down, you can add more scenes, you can customize it, you can, add more words and stuff like that. And, usually it's going to say the text too long, split suggested. So just take some of the text, add another scene, make another scene, and then, add different imagery to it. And, if the words don't really match what the pictures are saying, what the video is saying, then you can just simply search through the million+ images and video, find a video or image that relates to that sentence, and then just drag and drop the media right here. So that is the best free online video software you can use, and you can use it to get clients. And then you can charge anywhere from $300 up a month, $300, $400, $500 a month, or you can get the premium version of this and use this for your own business, or go out to other content creators and make them a custom video using their own brand presets. So again, if you want full premium access to the software, be sure to use the link in my description below and type in Aaron25 at checkout to get a huge 25% off discount on your monthly subscription. And I'm using this as we speak now for my own marketing agency, and I'm going to use this to upsell clients as well, to be like, hey, I can create posts for you, charge them an extra $300 a month for it. So we have to find, clients to actually do this for us. So click here to find out where you can find clients to find out how to prospect. So you can find clients who will want you to do this service for them. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in that.